Oh my God, Billy.
Want a bit?
No. Oh my God, Billy.
Well, as I said, we're going to start putting yogurt on our faces, right? This is why I have yogurt on my face, right? Nothing bad. And to do it, you always get the lid and put it in lots of yogurt. You go like this. And it feels very relaxing. And tasty. Then you walk over to the sofa, make yourself very comfortable and stick a couple of onions on your eyes.
Cucumbers.
Whatever. Hi. Doesn't it look fabulous? I'm glowing. He would like to go out with me.
By the way, she didn't mean that.
I did.
She didn't.
You don't care about me.
Now eat your slobber.